Okay, first recording. Well, Ptsx by Stock Mister. Woke up right at 6:30. Got the text message before the page was able to refresh. I got a data error. So how it started out. Let's see. I was right here around 77 cents, and I put in an order to buy. Oh, wait, I'm not gonna put that. I put in an order to buy 3,000 shares at 77 cents. It didn't go through because the broker, basically Ameritrade, wanted me to contact my broker before I traded the stock. Um, this stock got halted by the Securities Exchange Commission, and by the time I realized this, it already gone up to like $1.07, and I was like, I can't do that. It was too high. It went up to 1.4, and then I saw the top. It's like an obvious top. You see all the selling, and then that's immediately sign to sell. Right now, it's hovering around 0.98. Going by the volume and seeing how many bidders there are. These bidders are possibly shorts trying to cover. They could be buyers, dip buyers at 0.96. But I mean, look at the previous price. It's 4 cents, and it just jumps pre-market. Yeah, a lot. Right now, either people are buying or covering. You really can't tell. You just have to go off your judgment. But going by this huge short, I believe, or sell, both short and sell. I know for a fact people shorted around 1.2 as soon as they saw the top right here. The volume's fading slowly. The bids and asks equalizing a little bit. Oh, the ask is going up. Oh, it looks like it's going to go up some more. You see that? You just look at that. The asks raise their price. That means the bidders, if the bidders come up to hit this ask, which means these are the green spots over here, the bidders hit the ask, causing the price to rise. When the askers hit the bids or the sellers hit the bids, they are turning red. But it looks like people are buying in right now. Let's see if we can test the resistance at 1.4. Oh, huge volume. Yeah, it's going up. You can already tell. Look at it. All these, I just called it. All these are coming up right now. I guess it's gonna get up to, I don't know, 1.3, 1.2 maybe. I doubt it's gonna hit 1.4, but if it does, another good shorting opportunity, definitely. Because the odds are in your favor if you short this. There's no way it's gonna sustain a $2 if it even gets up there, or 1.4. Look at the previous price here. Let me go back a couple charts. Yeah, 10 days. Look at this. Nothing. No price action whatsoever. 180 days. Okay. Look at this. What? Last year, the 9th, 16th, it was at 1.4. It already tested at highs. That is why it stopped at 1.4. There's no, yeah, it's not, it's huge resistance at that. There's no way it's going to pop up. So it's going to stop at 1.4. Yeah, I should have looked at this before I traded. Oh my god. I feel bad for people who bought around 1.4 or like 1.42. Actually, the day's high is 1.4. But whoever didn't look at the previous history definitely is losing their pants. 40 cents a share. They probably went big because, oh, Stock Mister, he pumps up stocks. It's gonna go higher. No, 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 no. It's like a double top right here. If you go back in the past, yeah, double top at 1.4. Now it's a triple top over time. There's no way it's gonna go here. Next, well, let's see, support. It looks like support is at 77 cents. 77 cents, huh? That's where I wanted to enter. Figures, right? I missed the turning point. I wasn't paying attention. I guess I can rewind the video, but it looks like it's going down again. Let's look at this volume. Oh yeah, a bunch of people hitting the bid. Either they're covering or short selling. Either way, if they can hold on to it and not get a margin call, they're gonna make bank. It's gonna go back down to 0.4 cents. Usually, how I see the pump and dumps go, they go farther down than what they originally were before. So I wouldn't be surprised if I see this at like 0.2 in a couple days. It'll take longer, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna break that. Ptsx. Just watching this. I don't want to keep rambling, so I'm gonna shut up now. Dating volume. The study. One of the studies I'd really like to look at is the let's see if I can find it. It is the on balance volume. It subtracts the previous volume from a current, and it basically looks like it follows the trend. Oh, where is it? Here it is. At that study. So if you look at the unbalanced volume, it basically follows it. It doesn't always work. Let's see if I can find the spot. No, it looks like it's working pretty well for penny stocks. But it helps identify the trend, and it mirrors the volume and the trend. So if you look at both this volume, the unbalanced volume, and the trend, look how closely it resembles it. So you see the gradual. If you see this gradual uptrend right here, you know, like, okay, I'm going to buy it. But this is too I guess it would be sudden. I guess you have a small window to understand what's happening. So like right here, if you see that downtrend or unbalanced volume, um, you like, oh, indicate the sell. You know it's gonna go down from here because this is the top. It's rounding out. And then if you look at the level two, exactly that's what's happening. They switch momentum. It just looks like. See, I would not trade here at all. Past this point, no, not at all, because it's just too flat. You got the upfront, you got the uptrend, and you got the downtrend, and then that's basically where it ends, and it just hovers around here. So if you want to scalp for 10 cents, what, 87 to the dollar, make like 13 cents. If you want to scalp, it's risky because it can go either way from here on out. Most likely down, but if more newsletters get pumped out, it could go up, but usually it just goes down. So the odds are in your favor. Got that fading volume, called it. Yeah, it's just gonna downtrend from here. See that turning point? Follows the volume, the trend, and everything. It's gonna go down from here. Let's see if I'm right. Oh man, it's early. Waking up at like 5:30 to wait for the market open at 6:30 Pacific time. It's kind of good. I have the rest of the day. Market ends at 1. I have the whole rest of the day to just do whatever I want. Well, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. I can update it. It looks like it's pretty stagnant. As I said earlier, I would not trade here unless I saw this. I mean, like, you see this huge run up, and it's you see this immediate downtrend. I mean, you could short here, and you still be pretty good. I mean, I'd short now, but I don't have the balls to right now. If I short, it will go up to like it could go up to 1.4, but it's not gonna pass 1.4. Looking at the previous history earlier, it's not gonna pass. So 100%, like I can guarantee you will make money if you short this. But there are probably no shares to short. Everyone has the same idea. Pumps go up, you short it, and you go down. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this helped everybody. Please spread my blog around. If you want to donate, just contact me. I'd gladly accept it. Just kidding. Don't donate. It takes the fun out of making my own million. All right. Thanks, guys.